It's 2021. 2020 is over and nothing's happened yet in 2021. I'm here at Shelburne Pond. You can see the familiar hill with the cell tower over there. On the other side of that is Lake Iroquois, where I live. We've got farms, we've got straw, we've got hiking trails, we've got hockey nets, and I got brand new boots. So, Nordic Skates, the heel lifts, it's just like cross-country skating. Same boots, same bindings, but just a blade, and the blade is longer, so even on uneven, unpolished surfaces, it works pretty well. So let's try this out. I don't have claws, but I do have my screwdriver. So if I fall on the ice, I've got to calm myself. I've got to take the screwdriver, use it like an ice pick, and then pull myself out onto stronger ice, and then get somewhere warm. Hopefully the GoPro stays with me. But let's see. This is only like my first time on these boots, and about my 5th time or maybe 8th time on the skates. First time in 3 years on the skates. But let's see how it goes. When I measured the ice, it came in at about 2 knuckles deep, which is less than 2 inches. So I am staying no more than this from the shore, really. When I walked over there, I heard some ice cracking. So this is the hairy edge of my comfort zone. If the ice were to suddenly get really clear, that would be a bad sign. But I see other people have skated here just yesterday, and it's been under 32 all night. So here we go, a little speed run. Try that on normal skates. Nordic skates have a flat bottom, so they act just like skis. You can slide sideways, or you can dig an edge in, or dig an edge in. I love them.